Ready to create your dream patio paradise without breaking the bank? Let's dive into DIY outdoor furniture. DIY outdoor furniture saves money and allows for customization, giving you a unique space to call your own. Gather your tools and materials. Most are affordable and easy to find at your local hardware store. Let's start with a showstopper, a modern outdoor sofa and coffee table combo that'll wow your guests. Next up, a versatile side table with a secret cooler, perfect for keeping drinks chilled during summer parties. Transform wooden pallets into a rustic, cozy patio sofa. It's eco-friendly and budget-conscious. Got an old wooden spool? Turn it into a charming farmhouse-style table that adds character to your patio. Design and build sleek, modern outdoor chairs for under $100 each. Style doesn't have to be expensive. Transform an old door into a unique outdoor beverage station. It's a conversation starter and functional too. Craft a budget-friendly outdoor dining table for less than $20. It'll look like $1 million. Learn to finish and protect your DIY patio furniture. These techniques will help your creations last for years. Incorporate clever storage solutions into your designs. Every inch counts in outdoor spaces. Create a complete patio furniture set on a budget. Mix and match your DIY pieces for a cohesive look. Ready to start your DIY patio paradise? Click the link below for more inspiration and detailed guides.